Country Living family, and welcome back.
Good to have y'all back this week. Our plans has changed once again.
Always happening, never ending, change.
So we were inside here, we were bamming this stuff out, trying to get the plumbing in, get ahead of the game on the inside because we were waiting on the siding that wasn't supposed to come in for 10 days, 2 weeks,
Right.
Something like that.
Well, next thing we know, down the road comes a truck with our siding on it. So now we kind of need to shift some gears and work on the rest of our projects that we got going on to be able to put the siding up.
We have a few hurricane clips that we've got installed already. We didn't know that we weren't supposed to install those with screws, but we've since learned.
I didn't know. I didn't know we were supposed to.
But we didn't know. I didn't know to tell her, she didn't know to tell me. So anyway, but we have learned that we don't put them in with screws. So we're gonna have to yank all those off real quick.
So we're gonna go ahead and get the tool out, go outside, take the hurricane clips out, and get rolling on that stuff.
Yeah, we got a couple windows to put in that'll at least get us 3 walls that we can go ahead and start putting siding up.
So this week our siding got delivered to us early on, and as soon as we got it, we put it down where we needed to, got it strapped down how we needed to, and went ahead and prepared for this other bad weather that we had this week. We got really fortunate that it did go over us, so we didn't have anything tore up bad, neither did our family members.
Yeah, but you can't help but feel bad, and your heart's got to go out to the people that was in that line of storms that did get damaged from this. So hope everybody's safe and made it through that okay. Everybody that was in the south and got the brunt of the storm anyway.
So this storm was nothing even compared to how a hurricane hits, but it just is one more reminder of how important hurricane clips are down here.
Yeah, and that was the first thing we thought of, with this big red line of storms coming through, high winds, tornadic activity. Oh my God, we
The
only have
7 hurricane clips that I put in ain't gonna do anything.
and they're installed incorrectly. They're installed with screws and not even the right attachment. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. We're fixing to go out there and get started on this. We're fixing to go outside and get started on this. Y'all please bear with us because the wind is terrible out there still.
Yeah, I'll make sure that Jim leaves his hat on so it keeps his hair out of his eyes.
That's right. These long curly locks.
This week's video is sponsored by PhilPow, where we are constantly involved in cleaning up messes on our home build project. We use the PhilPow B8 Pro blowers. These are battery-powered rechargeable blowers that allow us to clean up dust and debris in our home without the worry of fumes from a gas-powered blower. The B8 Pro Plus blower delivers up to 570 CFM using the power of a brushless motor. These motors deliver 2 times more torque and last up to 5 times longer than a brushed motor. The units have 3 power modes: low, high, and turbo mode. Using the B8 Pro Plus, the turbo button delivers up to 150 miles robust path of air, making any project you have a breeze. Weighing under 10 pounds, the balanced weight distribution is extremely comfortable to use. We especially like the rear suction design, which allows you to hold the unit close to your body without restricting the blower's airflow. The B8 Pro comes with a charger and a 2 amp hour battery with run times up to 20 minutes. And the B8 Pro Plus comes with 2 batteries and 2 chargers. Each battery is equipped with an LED power display so you can always know exactly how much battery life you have available. Storing the PhilPow blowers are very convenient as the blower sections disconnect with a twist of the blower, allowing you to store them in a very small space. These products and many more can be found on their website, which will be in the description below. Thanks again, PhilPow, for sponsoring this week's video. So here are the clips that I had put in previously that we're going to have to take out. They're about halfway down the wall here. So I think we're just going to take them out one by one as we go and put up the new and improved hurricane clips.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
All right, so this morning I'm gonna get out here and finish putting on the rest of these hurricane clips. That way, whenever Jim gets home, all we gotta do is put this window in and we will have those 3 sides ready for the siding. All right, let's get it. I wanted to show y'all one time how I've been doing this. So these have 5 holes in them for the nails. So this nail gun, the nail sticks further out. So you put it right inside there and then you press the trigger, it pulls the safety back and you shoot it. This has been an absolute lifesaver because having to nail 10 nails in each one of these, and I believe that there's around 70 of them, would have been insanely time consuming. Plus we can use this on the siding too. So I'm gonna show y'all one time real quick up close so y'all can get a look at what we've been doing. Take this up here. Well, that was a lot of trips up and down that ladder. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a break before we have to start in on our next project whenever Jim gets home. And hopefully I'll be ready to go by then. Might have to have a cup of coffee or two. So I don't know where y'all think that you're taking the buggy, but I think you're a little young and you need a chaperone. Well, I really don't know who's more excited about getting this siding up, because as soon as Jim got home, this is what he started doing. Sweetheart, you ain't even ate lunch.
It's okay. About to get a window put in there. Look, been working for 10 minutes. And I'm telling you, like a bull in a china closet.
I got some too.
Oh, you gonna one-up me?
No, yours looks worse.
You gonna one-up me on your bobos?
So this is gonna complete this third side, and then once he gets that finished up, we are gonna be able to put up 3 whole sides of this siding. Picture this. Bathtub, relaxation with a view.
And a breeze right now. It's pretty breezy.
Yeah, if you open up the window.
Yeah, so this is going to be the window that overlooks the jacuzzi tub in the master bathroom. So, warm water, flowing jets,
Scenic
cool breeze,
views.
natural light. It's going to be nice.
Who knows, you might even see some exotic animals.
In the tub?
Yeah, look.
Rocco. Psst. Rocco, hey, what are you doing?
The chicken's probably exotic to some.
Don't think we're going to let them in the bathtub.
No, not in the bathtub, Goose.
The chickens will have to take a bath outside.
Okay.
You want to go to KFC? You want to go see all this kin people?
No.
Oh, you're my cousin? Original recipe? Hey, how about you, Extra Crispy? How you doing today? Okay.
So we got our hurricane clips put up, and we got the window in.
That completed the list that we wanted to get done this week.
This week's shout out goes to Jimbo from Australia. Thanks for always keeping us on our toes in our comment section, of course, and for all the laughs.
That's right. We love the witty comments.
All right, y'all. We're fixing to go get some dinner. If you didn't know, it is crawfish season in Louisiana. So, stay tuned if you would like to see what that entails.
What, crawfish tails?
What that crawfish tails. Oh. Stop me. Let's just go.